welcome to Project of the Day. My name is Tobias and this is my YouTube channel. This channel is dedicated to sawmilling, woodworking. Today it's milling day. We're going to take this Goat Willow and put it on the big bandsaw mill. And Goat Willow is a tree that grows here in Sweden and down through Europe and in Northern Asia. And we call it sälj. Normally here in Sweden we make boxes with it, and I'm gonna mill this in rather thin pieces. So let's start milling. For you that follow me for a while, you maybe noticed that I upgraded the log support on the sawmill. This is the XL log support. I really like this, but let's not talk about them in this video. I will make a separate video for them. So let's think. There I want to mill it. Looks perfect. I can drop them one more, I think. So. If you can, drop both of them to the same height. Otherwise I can guarantee you're gonna mill in it. Because if you have the first one lower and you check it when you start milling, and then you hit the second one. And if you run another brand of sawmill, you can retrofit your sawmill with this log support. I think that you can make them fit on almost every sawmill. But I really like them. it's not that easy to sit and talk to you guys through a camera. You sit and watching a camera and no one behind, and you try to be polite and talk like you are in the yeah. But I try my best. So, but today now I milled I think 15 slices of veneer, and I think it worked great. I'm really surprised how consistent every slice is, and the smart set worked perfect when it's stepping down 1 millimeters for each slice. And I think they are really consistent. I will take my caliper and check them later. So I'm really pleased. And here you see the new log support, and I'm really happy with that. I think they work really good. And if there is some video you would like to see, please write a comment down below. I love to read your comments. And maybe we should have a Q&A if you have questions, difference between different sawmills. I usually answer that all the times on my classes. For you that doesn't know that, maybe I run a sawmill school here in Sweden. So I usually run test days where they can come and test different mills. I have 4 sawmills today. I have 2 chain sawmills and 2 bandsaw mills. If you are in Sweden, let me know. Maybe we can set up a play day. But if you want to see daily update from me, follow me on Facebook. I have set a link down below. There I update usually multiple times a day what's happening around the homestead. So go and check it out. Link down in the description. Until next time, bye. Now the big problem is try to dry them rather flat at least. So I will try to stack them together and move them around so they lie together and switch places. It's tricky when you haven't English as your native language. I mean, you get stuck on certain words, and yeah.